So the next questions. Estimate the exposure concentrations in ppm that will result in fatality of 80% of the exposed individual if they are exposed to phosphine for 4 minutes. So just now we were looking at the durations at a given concentration. So now we want to find by given durations, what is the concentrations that will result in 80% death rate for phosphine gas. So T is 4 minutes. So again, go back to the same probit equations. Y equals to K1 plus K2 ln V. So now go back to table 2.5 to find out what is the K1, K2 value. So for phosphines, we have it here. So again, V value is C to the power of 1T, and K1 value negative 19.27, K2 value 3.69. So let's put that value back. So we have negative 19.27 plus 3.69 ln CT. So we have 4C here. And also we want to find out what is our Y value. So Y value can be getted at P 80%. So go to table 2.4. So back to table 2.4. So at 80% death rate, so P value is 5.84. So that will give us the value of 5.84. So put this into the value. So 5.84 equals to 19.27 plus 3.69 ln 4C. So in that case, ln 4C, we have 5.84 plus 19.27 divided by 3.69. We get something along the line of 6.80. So 4C e to the power of 6.8, and we get something like 897.85, and therefore our concentrations here is at 224.5 ppm. So in conclusions, if the people's being exposed to phosphine for 4 minutes at 224.5 ppm, we are expecting a death rate of 80%. So that concludes the tutorial for today. Thank you very much.